Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for the UPSC exam using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the specific English syllabus for the UPSC exam, including comprehension, prefixes writing, and essay components. Start a daily habit of reading a reputable English newspaper to improve your general awareness and language skills. Simultaneously, dedicate time to building your vocabulary by learning 5 to 10 new words every day, noting their meanings and usage. Next, it's crucial to master English grammar. Revisit basic grammar rules, focusing on sentence structure, tenses, and punctuation, as these are foundational for clear communication. Regularly practice prefixes writing to summarize complex texts concisely, and dedicate time to writing essays on diverse topics. Consistent daily writing, even for 15 minutes, will significantly enhance your ability to express ideas effectively and accurately for the exam. To further strengthen your English, focus on comprehension and fluency. Read a variety of texts, including editorials, magazines, and nonfiction, to broaden your understanding and exposure to different writing styles. Listen to English news channels and debates for at least 30 minutes daily to improve your listening skills and pronunciation. Actively practice speaking English, perhaps with a study partner or by recording yourself, to build confidence and fluency. Finally, for effective preparation, consistently solve previous year's UPSC English question papers to understand the exam pattern and time management. Actively seek feedback on your written essays and prefixes from mentors or peers to identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistent effort over several months yields the best results. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.